All right, guys, welcome back to RC on Track. Got the Creighton out. What we're going to try to do is jump it roughly 23 feet and land it on the landing over there. It's a new car to me, so getting control of it's going to be kind of rough for me, but we're going to attempt to do it with the Creighton. I know I could jump a lot further. This is a controlled jump, so that means I'm going to hit the launch and then land on the landing. See how many times it takes to get it done. Might not happen. Might end up breaking the car. I don't know. I got about 30 foot on this side to run, and about 25 foot on this side to run, maybe 30 foot on that side to run. So yeah, let's get it on way and see what we can get done. So a controlled jump is way harder than doing an accidental, oh, I just made this look cool, let's do it again, and we do the same thing again because it was easy to do. Jumping from a small launch ramp, this car is ridiculous, man. So we got about We got about 4.5 inches on either side of the tire, so room for error is very minimal. So yeah, this is just definitely going to be something to do. So. Fail. So trust me, it's harder than it looks. The car does 60 plus miles an hour with the gear that's in it, and launching it to that ramp and landing perfectly is just crazy. I'm gonna keep going with it and see if we can actually get one landing, or dead batteries, or a broke car, whatever comes first. Not really trying to break it again, but it may happen because again, the car has flaws. It has no front protection, no rear protection, and so it does break. But we're gonna try it anyways. All right. So I'll get back to it. Like I said, it's harder than it looks. Woohoo! That was close. Well, if the ramp was over here, it would have landed. That broke. So again, with the flaws with the Kraton, you guys, let me show you. I'm not going to jump it anymore because it just broke apart. I just replaced. So look, there's your first flaw with the Kraton. No rear protection. It landed on the fin, broke the RPM plastic replacement part. Kraton's done. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set the ramps up. I'm going to set the ramps up in a way that I can hit them and try to land a corkscrew with the slash, okay? So just bear with me for a couple seconds here and we'll get that done. How's your trick to it? I need to hit that ramp just right to get the car to do a corkscrew and then land. So we'll get that going. Trick to getting that corkscrew is hit the edge of the side of the ramp there, and it still gets lift, and it'll corkscrew. It'll just do a corkscrew and land. So let's see if we can get that to happen. axle, one of the two, I don't know. I don't know. That should have corkscrewed right there. I'm pretty sure the momentum that I'm throwing on those tires, the rotation of the tire, is causing it to come out of the corkscrew and not land correctly. But we're going to keep trying it until the battery dies or like the crate and it breaks. So let's just run with it. Got a flat tire. The rim, the axle's so bent. Look how bent the axle is, guys. I'll do it until it breaks, I don't care. Come on. The axle's so bent that it's actually screwing with the car now. Now I gotta take a walk. So I'm going to change my tactic, turn the ramp in a way that's going to send the car more of an angle. I don't know, I'll try it. hard, maybe. It might hit a little hard on that one. You split the whole top. Big old cracks. I don't think it's going to do it. We got another problem. I think we broke it. Well, that sucks, man. This just... I don't think it's going to do it. Yeah, so until I build this ramp that causes the car to go like this, just a nice curve on the ramp, it's just the momentum of the speed that I'm throwing to those tires, the horsepower or whatever, is causing the car to come out of corkscrew mode and go into a flop on its side or its top and break it all to crap. So that being said, I'm just going to politely jump it a few times now and hopefully not smoke any more of the clutch, because the clutch is slipping now. So let's go ahead and run it until the battery dies. That's it. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's not the way the tire is supposed to move. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of me destroying 2 cars. I don't know what to say. Maybe buy stronger parts. If you know of stronger slash axles, hit me up in the comment box below. I'd appreciate that. And I will not be putting the metal wing bars on the Kraton, because then it'll bend the shock tower. So we're going to figure something out for the Kraton ourselves, because they don't make anything yet. And so yeah, there it is. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you get to see more carnage like that, and our beach runs and wherever we go. All right, thank you.